Hey, it's Miss Renee. And here I go. If you see one more chamoy pickle review, I know you're just gonna pass out. Okay. All of this stuff came in here for free. For free. All this stuff. All this stuff came in the pickle pack. It came in the pickle pack for free. This time I got the cherry chamoy pickle because I had to try the cherry, and next I'm going to try the sour, and then I'm going to try the hot. So I could say I tried them all. Definitely smell like cherry. Boom. I'm only eating half of this because, yeah. This is what it looked like on the inside. Smell like cherry. I really had to gut it out good because we're going to put a bunch of stuff in here today. So I just want to taste some of this before I put it on there. Salty and limey. Okay. So we got it stuffed with the Swinkies, the Takis, the Sausagettis. I'm gonna put some chamoy powder on here. This didn't come in here. This came with my last chamoy pickle. I don't know what this is, but I guess it's supposed to, I guess it's supposed to ooze out. Like little spaghetti. Okay, this one is new. I ain't seen this one before, but okay. And then the chamoy sauce. Like I said, I can only eat half. The other half is here. I'm gonna save it and eat it later. But this is my first time having the cherry chamoy, and I've never put the Takis inside. And this is like, I wanna say my second chamoy pickle. So I've eaten it different ways, different times. So this is gonna be my first time with the let's just eat it. I didn't even get to bite the pickle. Let's go in for our second bite. Well, let's bite the pickle this time. I mean, The Takis give it an extra kick. Oh shoot, where am I stopped at? I forgot to put the lime on there. The salty lemon. You can taste the sherry too. It's got a strong cherry taste to it. But all of the tastes are strong. So it's kind of like having a pizza with too much on it. Like strong, everything in it is strong. The pickle taste is strong. The cherry taste is strong. No, the sausagettis do what they do. The chamoy sauce is doing what it's supposed to do. You know, it's just a lot of stuff going on. And it's not nasty, but I just think it's too much. Takis do give it like a crunch, but I don't really think the Takis need to be here. Like I said, the last two pickles I ate without the Takis in, it didn't need it. But the cherry flavored chamoy dill pickle. And this right here, it was cute. See, it's got the little holes, so when you pushed it, it made like the little sausagettis. So I don't know why they gave me two of these when they, I don't know. Bye.